Featured here is the Pneu-Tek safety inflation station. On the top of this is the Pneu-Tek new and improved bead seater as well. First feature that you'll find on this is that it's mobile. It has wheels, and so this can easily be moved anywhere around the shop, wherever an individual is working, so it has some mobility. And there's a number of components that make up this safety inflation station, each of them very important. First, we'll look down here and we see a surge tank. And with that surge tank, we have two regulated lines going out of that surge tank. The first regulated line comes up here to our tire inflator. And so what that does is that regulated line just ensures that you never overfill the tire. This is an electronic inflator that's common to many shops. Many shops are using that, and that's just a component of the safety inflation station. Now, if we look at the second regulated line, that comes up here to your bead seater, and that's on a long coil line. So again, you have some mobility with this tank. You can move from your base here of operation, and that has a regulated line. That ensures that you never overfill this tank. And so let me show you some of the features of the new and improved bead seater that we have as well. We come down here, the first thing you come to is our discharge barrel. And this new and improved barrel is made out of a heavier material, so it has a longer service life in the field, our Schedule 40 barrel. And then on the end, we have this new and improved rest for the rim. And if you look at the contour of that right here, you can see that contour accommodates both aluminum as well as steel rims. And so that's improved as well. It's stronger. It'll give you more service life in the field. And as you come up here, the next component that you'll see is an improved valve. This is not a Chinese knockoff. This is a name brand valve. It's a quality valve. And we have an improved handle for it as well. If you recall, the mini bead seaters on the market open this way. And the problem with that is sometimes you lose control of the tank, the air is misdirected. But in this case, the valve opens very easily towards the tank, towards the operator, has much more stability. The operator has much more control. It opens very easily with just a flick of even one finger. And it also opens a little bit more rapidly, a little bit more quickly, and so you get more impact with the tool as well. And because it's more compact, it also is going to have more service life in the field as well. It'll last longer. And then we come up here to the gauge. This is an improvement over the common air pressure gauge. This is what they call a pancake gauge. And so it has more impact resistance as well as it's going to give you a nice accurate reading of the air pressure over a longer period of time. And then the next component that we have here is this air manifold. This air manifold, instead of having a bushing and a 90 and all these different fittings, we have a single air manifold that has coming out of it a safety pop-off. Now that's a quality component, ASME certified safety pop-off. Again, safety is very important to us here at Pneu-Tek. And then we also have a quality filler valve, a quality filler ball valve. And so, again, a lot of these components have a safety component to them, or a safety element to them, as well as just giving you more service life in the field. Now, another thing you're going to notice is that this tank is a little larger, has a little bit more capacity. The common bead seater that's on the market is a 5-gallon tank. We've taken that up to an 8-gallon tank. And so, with more capacity, with more volume, it gives you more impact with the air, and it just simply allows you to seat that bead a little easier and ensures that you can get the really tough tires when you're seating the bead. And so that's the new and improved Pneu-Tek bead seater. And so all of these components work in conjunction with the Pneu-Tek safety inflation station and all of its safety features. A very versatile piece of equipment, and certainly for the safety conscious shop, it is a very nice piece of equipment. That is the Pneu-Tek safety inflation station and the new and improved Pneu-Tek bead seater.